Okay, so for some reason this one has really been throwing people for a loop. All right, so let's talk about first, what is bisect and what does the definition of bisect mean? So a bisector is a object, whether it's a point, a line, a ray, a segment, or an object that cuts another shape in half. Not in just in half some random way. A bisect splits this object into two equal sections. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's a line being bisected, then that means it's a midpoint. It is just bisected or separated that line into two congruent parts. All right, now in this situation we have a segment. The segment KR is bisects the angle JKM. Okay, so let's just draw that. We're not even going to read the other half of this for the time being. We're just going to draw an angle. All right, so we have an angle JKM. It's an angle. We don't really know any more about it. We just know that we have this angle JKM, and it is being bisected by KR. So randomly here in the middle, not really randomly, in equal sections, we have KR. All right, so if JKR, so we have to be, again, very careful what we're looking at. So the angle JKR is 84. So the angle JKR is 84 degrees. Okay, so notice that's just this portion here, 84 degrees. Well, based on the definition of bisect, we should recognize that if KR bisects this angle JKM, then this angle RKM must also be equal to 84 degrees. All right, so again, by the definition of bisect, we have that the measure of the angle, or the angle JKR, must be congruent to the angle RKM. Okay, now to answer the question that's being asked, what is the measure of JKM? So now it's wanting us to find the measurement of the whole angle. Here is J through K to M. So for that one, we can add up JKR plus the angle RKM to equal the angle RKM. Oops, sorry, JKM. Too many letters. There we go. All right. So JKR we found was 84. That was given to us. We determined that RKM was also 84 because that's by the definition of bisect. And again, like I said, this is right here, the definition of bisect. It divided it into two equal parts. Is going to equal the angle JKM. So 84 plus 84, or 2 times 84. It's 168. And there's your answer.